You know, the 2015 MacBook Pro is common display defect when basically it will just show a lot of streaking lines on the screen from anti-glare from its anti-glare coating. And I have already tried cleaning this up with Clorox wipes, however, the Clorox wipes were not the most effective. So in this video I thought I would try isopropyl alcohol instead to see how that goes. So I just want to offer a brief disclaimer, which is that isopropyl alcohol can be a little bit dangerous at times, like it is flammable. So please note that, but as always, let's go ahead and let's get started with the actual cleaning of this computer. My 2015 MacBook Pro with isopropyl alcohol for about 20 minutes and a lot of paper towels, but I was able to get some of it off, but ultimately it isn't the most effective, so I'm going to try Windex now and see how effective that is. This right here is the after result cleaning my 2015 MacBook Pro, and I have to say that overall I'm quite impressed with the results, as the Windex and the isopropyl alcohol combined help definitely get some of it off. Now hopefully it won't come back like it did after I used the Clorox wipes. So without further ado, I'm just going to turn this thing on and see if it will still work. And it's a big surprise to everybody, this machine works just fine, so I guess that is it for this video. And so as always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes Fanboy, and as always, peace out.